charging my phone. It's telling me no Bluetooth. Phone works. When I go to the player, it says no Bluetooth device. Won't work. More settings. Bluetooth. Okay, paired audio sources. Says it's connected. I go to player, no Bluetooth audio device. So I have to go back to this, back to the settings, go back here, I have to go back to this, I have to go to this, and it's still no Bluetooth audio device. I have to go back to the settings, I have to go back to this, I have to go back to this. Then it connects. Then I can go here, but none of these work. And then go over here. These don't work either. Nothing works. But if I play on this, it works. But then again, none of these buttons work. Same with the remote on the key steering wheel.